guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our microwave back out again, and we have this Sony alarm clock, radio alarm clock, and don't mind the Spanish music because us locals like it, but it's the only thing probably won't get copyrighted on. Anyway, we're gonna attempt to microwave this while it's playing, and we have it plugged. It's plugged to a GFCI, so I'm probably going to trip it, but I don't know. We'll try and get through it as much as we can with the destruction. So
we have the Black & Decker microwave, the most indestructible microwave there is.
yeah, honestly, best.
Pretty reliable. It's like the Toyota of microwaves.
Yeah, if you watch our previous videos, if you haven't already, and you'll see. So yeah,
you have it like on the bottom.
Yeah, if we can. Then the music went out. Let's see.
Oh, that's on. It's just not as loud.
Let's see if we could try and. Let's put it on full blast. Should go in, so.
Should try like what, 5 minutes first?
Yeah, whatever you want.
We'll just do 10.
Maybe ask.
Alright, let's try for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh god. Oh,
ready?
Oh, come on.
Ah.
It was working.
Damn it. Shit. Just blows up.
Well, let's see if it even works for that. Let's see if the clock even works after we try shorting it out.
It's already smoking.
Nope, it is fried. So we already fried it. So now we know for sure that it's no longer service. But I should have just drilled the hole through the bottom of the microwave and then just. Okay. It's at 10 minutes.
Well, unfortunately, the radio shorted out, so we're just gonna throw it in there.
Where is it?
Okay. Cooking an alarm clock, guys.
Okay, here we go. Oh god, I see smoke already. Oh, already.
Sorry about the angle, guys. It's the microwave that's tilted.
Yeah.
Not getting close to that now.
Let's see if we can fix you guys a little bit. There you go.
There we go. Perfect. A lot of smoke.
Oh yeah.
Wowzers. Just blows up.
Oh god. It goes another capacitor.
It's gonna be at least a few more in there.
Oh god, look at that smoke. Oh god, you smell it? Oh.
And I said we're gonna get masked.
We're gonna need gas mask. Oh wow, that's a lot of smoke. Oh, I see sparking.
It's blowing that way. I wonder what the neighbors think.
Oh god.
Barbecued alarm clock.
Oh wow, there's a lot of snow.
Even when I covered my nose with my jacket, I can still smell it.
Only you're wearing a freaking hoodie. In this weather. It's like, what, 75 degrees out?
That was kind of cold this morning, but.
Yeah, this morning was. Oh! Oh, God.
Damn.
You think I should kill
Oh, it's all on fire.
You think I should kill it?
Well, how many we got left? 7 minutes?
Yeah.
I think we should because we got like a couple more things to do.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh wow. Holy shit.
Oh, there's that famous black smoke plastic smell. Oh, wow.
That thing is toasty.
It's completely annihilated, Justin. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna attempt to pull this out. Oh God, this cord is hot.
Oh no shit.
It's all rubbery.
Oh my god. Oh,
It was just a piece of glass.
I thought something fucking fell off of that. We forgot the safety bucket, by the way.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Let it burn in misery.
Damn.
Well, that was pretty cool. Yeah, the wind's helping the fire go a little bit longer. Oh yeah, we still got a little bit of flame there.
There's still a flame going on inside the microwave too.
Oh, I should let the air out so it doesn't.
Oh wow.
That's some burning melting plastic. Oh God. It's annihilated.
Yeah, that thing's burning good. Holy shit.
Might as well let it go.
It's burned more. The burn has lasted longer than any other items most of the time. Pretty good. Oh god, the toys on fire. Magic. That can. Oh fuck.
Oh God. That's crazy. That thing, there'll be nothing left of it. Oh man, you could just see it boiling.
Forgot about that.
It already smells like smoke, doesn't it?
Oh, dude. Wow. So much smoke, holy shit.
Okay.
Damn, it's following me.
Yeah, we might as well get, I might as well get the fix-it tool, the fix-it stick. Put this bad boy out.
That's turned out like it's holy shit, it's smoking bad. This whole place is smoked up, look at that. Oh shit.
Whoops.
And they neighbors are probably like what the fuck are they cooking over there?
They're gonna get used to it. Wow, there it is, guys. Nothing
Shit
left
looks
of
like
it.
a symbiote.
The symbiote. It's still
There's a little piece of plastic burning there next to that very flammable can.
yeah, they're totally safe. Oh man, that was funny. There's my torch.
Shit. That's gonna be a tough cleanup.
That's why it's on that paver, so it's all messed up to begin with. Okay, anyway, yeah, so
That was pretty good.